In this quick lesson, we will simplify the expression 27 to the 1/9 power times left parenthesis 1 over 16 right parenthesis to the quantity 1/2 squared. We will go step by step, showing each move clearly and quickly. Step 1. Simplify the exponent in the second term. We square 1/2. 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. So the expression becomes 27 to the 1/9 power times left parenthesis 1 over 16 right parenthesis to the 1/4. Step 2. Rewrite the bases using prime powers. 27 equals 3 cubed. 16 equals 2 to the 4th. Therefore 1 over 16 equals 1/2 to the 4th. Plug these into the expression. Step 3. Use the power of a power rule. The rule says left parenthesis a to the b right parenthesis to the c equals a to the b times c. Apply to the left factor. 3 cubed to the 1/9 becomes 3 to the 3 times 1/9. Apply to the right factor. 1/2 to the 4th raised to 1/4 becomes 1/2 to the 4 times 1/4. Simplify both. 3 to the 1/3 and 1/2 to the first power equals 1/2. So the product is 3 to the 1/3 times 1/2. Step 4. Multiply the results. 3 to the 1/3 times 1/2 is the cube root of 3 over 2. You can write this as 3 to the 1/3 over 2 or as the cube root of 3 over 2. Both forms are equivalent. Final answer highlighted. Recap. We squared 1/2 to get 1/4. Rewrote the bases as powers. Used the power of... Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.